Welcome to the Recon Trader. In today's video, I will share with you how to earn passive interest income on your crypto assets via the Celsius Network wallet. And today they actually just launched their web app. So now you have access to your wallet via a desktop or laptop computer, and you don't have to use your mobile phone. So for me, that is the actual preferred method. I'm on computers all day long trading, and it's far more convenient to be able to jump over to the web app on my laptop or desktop rather than having to log into my cell phone. And I will show you how to send funds to your wallet via this new web app from my laptop. Now, with that being said, you do need to first download the app on your phone to create your account. But after you create your account and go through the KYC and get approved, then you can actually go to app.celsius.network and log into your wallet from your computer. Now, before we get too far into the weeds, if you're not familiar with the Celsius Network, it is a platform that basically provides a wallet where you can hold your crypto assets and earn passive interest income on those assets like Bitcoin, stable coins like Tether, Ethereum, and even more importantly to me, your funds don't have to be locked up for 30 days, 60 days, 90 days in order to earn that interest. I can withdraw my funds from the wallet at any time that I want, as they are not locked up, and therefore I have immediate access to them. And speaking of access and withdrawing those funds anytime I please, they actually charge 0 fees for withdrawal. So they don't actually charge me a fee to get my own money back, versus some of their competitors, as you can see, actually do charge fees when you want your money back. And in addition to that passive interest income on your crypto assets, you can actually borrow using those crypto assets as collateral without actually giving up your crypto asset. So you can actually borrow cash using your crypto assets like Bitcoin as collateral, and the loan rates start as low as 1%. Now, I have not used their borrow feature. I do not borrow against my crypto, so that's not a feature I'm too familiar with. But I certainly have been earning that interest income. And so if we jump back over to the web app on my computer, you can see I have roughly just about $14,000 worth of crypto assets in the wallet, including the Celsius, which pays almost 5%. I have some Tether that actually pays 10% interest. Now, I challenge you, go down to your local bank, put in $5,000 in the bank and demand your banker pay you 10% interest on that $5,000. They're not going to do it. They're going to look at you like you're a crazy person. And there is a wide variety of stable coins that Celsius pays 10% interest on. So it doesn't have to be USDT that you're holding. And then you can see I'm also earning 6.2% on my Bitcoin that I'm holding over here. Now I'm going to move some Bitcoin off of my Bittrex account over to this wallet. So let's jump over to Bittrex real quick. And you can see I hold just over $1,000 in Bitcoin. And I want to withdraw some of this Bitcoin to deposit on my Celsius wallet. So now I will need my wallet address for Celsius. So I jump back over to the web app. And in the toolbar along the top, I click on Receive. And I want to deposit more BTC. And so I click on View and Copy Address, and then I can click on Copy the address. It's been copied. Jump back over to Bittrex, paste in the address. Good idea to verify the address. Those appear to be the same digits. And so I'm going to withdraw and send 0.027 BTC to Celsius, which would be just over $1,000, and hit withdraw. And so I need to enter the 2FA code, hit withdraw. So before too long, that Bitcoin will arrive in my Celsius wallet and start earning that 6.2% interest. Now, today is Monday, and Mondays are payday in your Celsius account. That is the day that Celsius pays out the rewards. And you can see, just for example, today on Bitcoin, I received just over $5 for the amount of Bitcoin that I actually hold in this wallet. And if you remember, I have around 5,000 USDT, And today I received almost $10 just for holding USDT in this wallet. Now, keep in mind that this wallet, the keys are not necessarily your keys. Celsius, much like an exchange like Bittrex or Binance, Coinbase, they're holding your crypto for you. So there is that risk involved. So you need to do your own recon on the Celsius network before you send any money over to them. And you need to fully understand the risk involved when another party, like an exchange or Celsius Network's wallet, holds your crypto on your behalf. Now, the highest paying interest that I'm earning is on the Synthetics Network token, and I'm earning almost 14% on that token. And if we jump over to the Available Coins tab, you will find all the coins available with the interest that they actually pay. For example, the Binance USD coin, they also pay 10% on that stable coin. And then another crypto asset I'll be sending over in the next couple days will be my Polygon or my Matic tokens. And Celsius actually pays almost 14% for holding your Polygon or your Matic tokens. And so I do have a handful of Matic tokens that are available to be sent over to this wallet, and I'll be doing that in the next couple days. And so you'll see there's a wide variety of coins from Zcash to Uniswap. There's a bunch of stable coins that you can hold: Mana, EOS, Dash, Chainlink, and Aave. Actually, you earn almost 6% if you hold your Aave over here. Now, if we jump to coming soon, you'll see that there are a few coins that are already lined up coming soon. The one I'm anticipating the most is Cardano, and I will be very interested to see what rate Celsius will pay on Cardano or the ADA tokens. The objective of the Celsius network is to pay the highest fees, so if they are able to do that, I will more than likely send that ADA over to this wallet. And as I mentioned, you can borrow from the Celsius network using your crypto assets as collateral. Now, right now, if I click on borrow in the web app, you can request a loan, but you'll actually need to do that through your mobile app, as right now that feature is not available on the web app, but that feature will be coming soon in the near future. And so I think that pretty much wraps it up. I just wanted to show you how you could earn passive interest income using the Celsius network wallet, whether it be on the mobile phone or now via their web app on a computer like a desktop or a laptop. And again, you can access the web app on your computer after you download the app on your phone at app.celsius.network. And I will leave a link to that address in the description down below. Also, I'll leave a link to Celsius in the description down below. And if you use my link, you will actually receive $40 worth of Bitcoin for free when you sign up for a new account with Celsius. So with that all being said, if you like this video, do me a favor, spike a like. I will continue to create new videos on the Celsius wallet and how I'm earning passive income through their wallet. So now would be a good time to shoot the subscribe button. If you have any questions or comments, drop those down in the comments section down below. And in closing, remember, never send your money into battle without first doing your recon. See you in the next video.